Lesson 9, the area between two functions, 1. Now the curve y equals x outside of x minus 2 and the straight line y equals x intersect each other at the origin and at the point A. We have to find the coordinates of A. Now to do that, we'd have to solve these two simultaneously. So we have y equals x outside of x minus 2 and y equals x. Therefore, x outside of x minus 2 equals x. That is, x outside of x minus 2 minus x equals 0. Taking across the other side. Take out x as a common factor. We have x minus 2 minus 1 equals 0. So that becomes x outside of x minus 3 equals 0. Therefore, x equals 0, or x equals 3, y equals 0, and y equals 3. So the coordinates of A are 3, 3. Now in part 2, we have to calculate the area enclosed by the curve and the straight line, as indicated by that shaded area. Now notice that the curve dips below the x-axis. Now, if that was above the x-axis, we would just say, okay, let's work out the area underneath the straight line, then work out the area underneath the curve, and subtract the two. Now, because by lifting that by a constant, that area won't change, we can do that as if we were doing that. So now the area, write this down, the area will be equal to the integral between the 3 and the 0 of x minus x outside of x minus 2 dx. And of course that becomes, on simplifying, x minus x squared, and this becomes plus 2x dx. So the area is equal to the integral between 3 and 0 of 3x minus x squared dx. Integrating that, this becomes 3x squared on 2 minus x cubed on 3 between 3 and 0. Alright, now continuing on, we'll put those values in. It becomes 3 times 3 squared over 2 minus 3 cubed over 3. And putting the zeros in, it just becomes 0. And of course that becomes 27 on 2 minus 27 on 3. And working that out in your calculator, that comes out to 4.5 units squared.